Yo, it's Mo. A question that I get all the time. Mo, I see your charts on the morning show. I see your charts in the videos that you make. What are they? How do I set them up? I'm going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough right now of my actual chart setup. So first things first, I have two charts here. This one I call my daily chart. This is more detailed. It's my day-to-day. And the reason that it's my day-to-day is based off of this. This is my stochastic. Stochastics are your trend line. And you notice, this is Amazon. If we look over here, we're looking at the same time period. Let me zoom this out just so you see it a little bit more. We're looking at the same time period right here. Maybe 3 months, maybe 4 months, something like that. It really doesn't matter. But what you do notice is this line doesn't move very much. This line moves a lot more because it's the day-to-day fluctuation. So that means that over here is my weekly trend. That's my long-term trend. So those are the big differences between the two charts. Now let's stick with the daily. Now that we know that I have the daily trend moves a lot quicker, this is what I use for swing trading. The next thing that I have is my volume. Volume is the engine to your, is the gasoline to your car. Not the engine to your car. The gasoline to your car. If you don't have gasoline in your car, you ain't going anywhere. So the volume is very important to have over here. Next, you notice these squiggly lines up here. These are my major moving averages. You may have heard me talk about them in different videos. I have my 200-day moving average, my 100-day moving average, my 50-day moving average, and the purple one is my 25-day moving average. Those serve as different resistance and support levels depending on where the stock price is going. Now, the candles. These candles over here on my daily chart are exactly the same as my weekly chart. Nothing changes from that aspect. Just because this is daily doesn't mean that these are weekly candles. These are exactly the same as far as candles go. The difference is the stochastic. Coming over here, we already talked about this. This is our trend being the long-term stochastic, meaning week to week. That is the difference between the two charts. And again, same old candles. Nothing changes there. So I have a little bit more detail on my daily chart, a little less detail on my weekly chart. Now let's go over to the day trading chart. So looking at this one, we are basically taking one of those candles on the last chart and going like this. This is one full day candle, this yellow one that I just drew, okay? And now we are gonna open it up. And when we open it up, we get the 15-minute candles. So each one of these candles is 15 minutes. You are basically taking a daily candle and opening it up and now looking inside of it with a magnifying glass. Our trend is the same. We're looking down here at our trend, and we have a different sweet spot. Over here, we look above 80% and below 20% to trade, but the trend line is exactly the same. It's just trending the 15-minute chart. Candles, like I said, are 15 minutes, and volume, instead of being each volume bar is 1 day, it's every 15 minutes. The more you know, the more you are going to understand and the less you are going to fear. And when you start opening up and understanding and having charts that you use the same way over and over and over, that will lead you to a lot of success. If you need a mentor to be there for you, come and join me in the Bid and Ask Nation. In the chat, you'll be able to talk to me 24/7, 365. I'm mostly always available. Unless I'm on vacation, I'm yours. My girlfriend doesn't really like that, but that's okay. You will also get the chart setup, extensive chart setup where you go through PDF files, you'll get videos. You get my Saturday seminars, 1 Saturday per month. I am all yours for the morning. Start at 9 a.m., end at 10:30, 11 o'clock. Open Q&A session, open teaching session, what have you. This is your place to come if you have not been successful in trading or you're just getting started trading. I am your mentor here that can get you started and get you going off on the right foot. See you in the Bid and Ask Nation, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop.